Hello dear students, very good morning. In the last class we discussed the concepts based on one line to be a tangent. What are the conditions? Means lines are intersecting one circle. Position of a point means whether it lies on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle. Now in this class, we are going to discuss the problems based on tangents. You observe. Question how they are asking. 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then find the point of contact. You see here. This is a circle. So one line is there. So this is a line. This is the line tangent to the circle. Means tangent nothing but it will meet at one point, that is the point of contact. Nothing but h comma k we have to assume. So center of the circle. So what is the given circle? Once we'll see. Given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. What is the center? Coefficient of x divided by minus 2 means 3. Coefficient of y divided by minus 2 means minus 2. Radius square root of x coefficient by 2 whole square means minus x by 2 whole square means minus 3 whole square. Y coefficient by 2 whole square means 4. Minus c, already minus is there. This is plus 12. 13 plus 12 means 25. So that is r equal to 5. Radius is 5. Now they are asking point of contact. See here. This is the center is minus 3 comma 2. Point of contact nothing but h comma k. What is the given tangent? What is the tangent? 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. So this is the tangent, this is the center, point of contact, nothing but the point lies on the line as well as circle. Lies on the line as well as circle. In the entrance point of view means 4 options. If you verify things, you will get answer easily. But theoretically, how to proceed? If you know theoretically means the entrance very simple only, that point you remember. So very clear. H comma k is the foot of the center on this tangent. You remember, point of contact is always foot of the center on the tangent. So on the tangent means one formula is there. If you want, I will write this formula here. Suppose one point x1 comma y1 you are drawing 1 foot of the perpendicular. Suppose this is h comma k we are assuming. This line is also ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the foot of the perpendicular means h comma k? H minus x1 divided by x coefficient means a. K minus y1 divided by y coefficient b minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Suppose if you equate these two, you will get h value. If you equate these two, you will get k value. So h comma k you have to calculate. So already we discussed this type of formulas in straight lines. So this is the straight lines concept. You remember? Whenever if you want to calculate point of contact, nothing but the foot of the perpendicular you have to calculate. You tell me foot of the perpendicular. h minus x1 means this is the center, x1 y1 U-turn. H minus 3 divided by x coefficient. What is the given line here? This is 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Nothing but 4. K minus y1. What is y1 means already minus is there by y coefficient. Nothing but minus 3. Minus ax1. Ax1 means 4 into 3, 12. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 7 divided by a square means 16. B square means 9. So you observe this is 25, 18 plus 7 means 25. Both will cancel. Then what you left here? Minus 1. So just I am equating these two. Very clear. H minus 3 divided by 4 equal to minus 1. And K plus 2 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 1. So from this minus 4, 3 you send that side means H equal to minus 1. So this is K value. Minus plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 means 1. So what is the foot of the perpendicular means h comma k equal to h value minus 1, k value plus 1. So like this we have to answer. So most important model it is. So directly in the entrance point of view, 4 options they given means directly we can calculate. Means verify the options. How to verify the option means suppose this point you substitute in the circle. It is satisfying. You substitute this point on the line, tangent. If it is also satisfying. Which option satisfied like that circle as well as given tangent means that is a given means required foot of the perpendicular nothing but point of contact. Point of contact means where suppose means one circle, one tangent there is a contact. So that is the point here. What is the point of contact means where the circle touches the tangent. So that is called point of contact. So like this we have to answer this type of questions. Next. Second one you read the question. Prove that the tangent at the point 3 comma minus 2 to the circle. See here. Suppose this is the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So center is 0 comma 0. One tangent is there. So this is the tangent we have to draw. So this is a tangent at the point 3 comma minus 2. This is the point 3 comma minus 2. So you read the question. Prove that the tangent at this point on the circle, we are drawing one tangent to this circle which touches another circle. So this tangent circle, this is the tangent touches one more circle. One more circle. Then find its point of contact. Means this is the point of contact. Means this is P of H comma K. So this is the circle equation. What is this circle equation? Center minus 1 comma 5. So this is minus 1 comma 5. Same previous method is there only, no? So foot of the perpendicular we have to calculate. To calculate foot of the perpendicular, you should know what is this tangent. What is that tangent we have to take. So first circle. The equation of the tangent at the point 3 comma minus 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 13 equal to 0 is, last class I told formula x1 plus y1 minus a square equal to 0. If you want to write a square also, you observe this is x1 y1, x1 means 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Let it be equation 1. Now what we have to discuss, prove that the tangent to this circle touches another circle. Means finally what we have to prove, this line touches this circle we have to prove. So how to prove one line touches one circle means radius is equal to perpendicular distance drawn from the center to the tangent. So given circle and also given, what is the given circle? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equal to 0. Center x coefficient divided by minus 2 means minus 1 divided by minus 2 means 5. What is the radius? Root of x coefficient by 2 means x coefficient means 2 by 2 means 1 whole square. Y coefficient by 2 minus 10 by 2 means minus 5 whole square 25 minus constant term already minus 26 is there, so this is plus 26, nothing but root of 52. 13 4 times, nothing but 2 root of 13. So 2 root of 13 is the radius. Perpendicular distance we have to calculate. Perpendicular distance, what is the formula? From this center to this line, what is this line? 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. 3 into x, x means here minus 1, nothing but minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 divided by square root of x square, nothing but 9 plus 4 13. So numerator is 26. Modulus is there only, no problem. This is 26 divided by root of 13. So this is we can write 2 into 13. So root of 13 times cancel. So finally this is 2 root of 13. See here, radius is 2 root of 13. Perpendicular distance from the center to this tangent also 2 root of 13. So r equal to d, nothing but this whatever the tangent to the first circle which is touches also second circle. Also second circle. They are asking finally point of contact. Just previous method I told you, h minus x1 by x coefficient equal to k minus y1 by y coefficient equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So here this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is x1 y1. Here h comma k we have to calculate. So like that we have to answer these type of questions. Next, length of the chord. See here. Suppose this is a circle. One chord, one line is there. This is a secant line. Suppose which means at 2 points, that is A and B. Center of the circle is C. No doubt about it, this is radius R. This is also radius R. So just we are drawing perpendicular on the chord, means secant line. Length of the chord nothing but see here. Length of the chord nothing but that is AB length we have to calculate. Just you observe, suppose this is I am taking M. This length is A, this length is A. Total AB length is 2A. Now finally A we have to calculate. So very clear, this is perpendicular. From the triangle AMC. Suppose this length is from the center to this line perpendicular distance D I am taking D. So from this triangle you observe, can I write R square equal to D square plus A square. So from this A we require. So this is R square minus D square equal to A square. Or A value root of R square minus D square equal to A. We need 2A. So that is 2 into root of R square minus D square. See, this is the formula to calculate length of the chord. Most important, length of the chord nothing but 2 into R square minus D square, where R nothing but radius, D nothing but length of the perpendicular, so which is drawn from the center to the chord. So from the center to this chord we are drawing, means that is the D value. So this is D square. So you remember, length of the chord nothing but 2 into root of R square minus D square. R means radius, D means perpendicular distance. Anyhow center they will, circle given means center will get. Secant line also, one chord also they will give. Chord nothing but line equation. That is of the form AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. So from the center to this line distance if you calculate me, that is D. Square of that D square. R square minus D square nothing but into 2, that is length of the chord of a circle. Now we will discuss one problem based on this question, this concept. Find the length of the chord Find the length of the chord intersected by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 on the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the question they given. See here. One circle they given, one chord equation they given. Length of the chord nothing but this is AB length we have to calculate. This is the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Directly x coefficient divided by -2, nothing but 4. Y coefficient divided by -2. This is the radius of the circle. This is also radius of the circle. This is the perpendicular distance. So, if you calculate this length means d, this is r. Now you tell me center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Nothing but 4, 1. Radius r equal to x coefficient by 2 whole square, y coefficient by 2 whole square, minus constant term. Minus constant term. Already minus is there. So this is plus 8. So this is 17, 25. So 25 is the radius, r equal to 5. Then d we have to calculate. Perpendicular distance. So d equal to, what is the formula? Modulus of a x1 plus b y1 plus c divided by square root of, that is a square plus b square. This is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, x1, y1. So if I apply that formula, modulus of a means 1, b means 1, c value 1, x1 4, y1 plus 1 divided by root of a square plus b square. So how much we got? Numerator is 6 divided by root of 2. Nothing but 2 3s are. So this is 2 into 3 means you can write root 2 into 3 divided by root of 2. Nothing but this is 3 root 2. So this is d value. What is d square value? Nothing but 9 into 2, it will be 18. So from this you observe length of the chord. So length of the chord AB equal to 2 into root of r square. R square means 25 minus d square 18. So 25 minus 18 nothing but root of 7. So what is the length of the chord? Nothing but 2 root of 7 units. So this is called length of the chord intercepted by this circle on the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Next concept, parametric equations. So parametric equations of a circle. So you observe, just standard form of a circle I am taking. X square plus y square equal to a square. Center at origin, radius is a units. You observe. This is a circle we are taking. These are the coordinate axes. So center at origin. So this is 0, 0. Radius. So this is radius means a units I am taking. So here one point I am taking, that is p of x, y. Means the point of the circle we have to calculate. From the p, just you draw one perpendicular, which means x-axis at the point A we take. Suppose this angle is theta parameter. So theta is a parameter. So parameter means theta may be variable, may be first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant like that. Means p of x comma y we have to calculate. So from the triangle, this is O I am taking. O, A, P. We need, so this length is y units, no doubt about it. This length is x units. X value, y value we have to calculate. From the triangle means sin theta first I will take. Sin theta nothing but opposite side means y by hypotenuse means a. So from this y is equal to that will be a sin theta. Similarly, cos theta nothing but adjacent side x divided by a. So x equal to a cos theta. Therefore, the point on the circle P of x comma y equal to x value a cos theta, y value a sin theta. This is called a parametric point. This is called a parametric point. The equations like x equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. These two equations are called parametric equations. Parametric equations. So you remember, these two are called parametric equations. These are the parametric point. So unknown point, if you want to take on the circle means directly you have to take like this. So a cos theta, a sin theta. Not only theta, a cos theta, a sin theta also you can take. Theta means any parametric. So like that we have to answer. So this is the parametric equations on a circle. Means parametric point and parametric equations of a circle. Suppose whenever the given circle is not at origin, means if it is not in standard form, another circle they given, means center at not at origin means, suppose center is h comma k, means x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square type. Center is not at origin means what is the parametric point? P of x comma y equal to h plus radius means r cos theta k plus r into sin theta. So this is parametric point. What are the parametric equations? Nothing but h plus r into cos theta, y equal to k plus r into sin theta. So these are the parametric equations. Whenever center is not at origin, suppose this circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is there. What are the parametric equations? What is the center? Minus g plus r radius, that is cos theta. What is another parametric equation? Center is minus g comma minus f. Here minus g will come, here minus f will come. So minus f plus r into, that is sin theta will come. So these are the parametric points and parametric equations which is not in standard form. H comma k is center, this one. So general equation of a circle means center is clearly minus g comma minus f. So this is the way of answering this type of questions. One question. Find the parametric equations of the circle. Find the parametric equations of a circle. X square, you write here only. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. For this circle, parametric equations we have to calculate. First, center. What is the center? 2, 3. Radius. You tell me radius. This is 4 plus 9 plus 12. Nothing but 13, 25. This is 5. What are the parametric equations? X equal to 2 plus a means 5. That is cos theta. Y equal to 3 plus radius into cos theta means this is sin theta. So these are the parametric equations. Suppose whenever parametric equation given, what is circle equation? How to calculate? Very simple. X minus 2 whole square equal to 5 cos theta. Y minus 3 equal to 5 sin theta. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides and adding. You tell me. X minus 2 whole square y minus 3 whole square equal to, this is 25 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta. So from this, if you want, you can simplify. X square minus 4x plus 4, this is y square minus 6y plus 9. 25 if you take common means cos square theta plus sin square theta, that will be 25. So from this we can write x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. This is 9 plus 4, 13 minus 25, that is minus 12 equal to 0. See, if you simplify parametric equation, again given circle. Whenever given circle is there, how to write parametric equations means like this. So this is the concept and the problems based on parametric equations and parametric point to the circle. Okay.